this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and show gradebook columns. So this is a handy feature. And if you're an instructor that maybe shares a course with another instructor, you're going to be teaching the lecture, somebody else is going to be teaching the labs, this video is for you. Another way that you'd want to use this, if you're an instructor and maybe you just don't want to see the midterm and all that final stuff yet, this is also for you. So let's go in and work through hide and show columns. So access your course, go into the grades, and then select enter grades. So in this one, I'm the instructor, I'm the only one, but I don't want to see the midterm and the final showing up yet. So select more actions, hide show columns. So again, this is going to choose which items to display. So in the beginning, I'm of course going to have my students working through the assignment and the quiz, but let's just uncheck these and I don't want to see that yet. Just going to click save and you'll see how fast and that just minimizes that view. So here in my other example, I'm going to be teaching the lecture. I don't want to be seeing all this lab stuff. Again, select enter grades, more actions, hide show columns, and we're going to go through and we're going to uncheck anything of those labs. Click save. So you know, see how fast that goes through. So it's not going to affect the grade anything, but now how do we bring those back? Same thing. Click more actions, hide show view, select everything and click save. Now they're all back. That's how fast it is to hide show grade columns in D2L. Thanks for watching.